Hello everyone. Today's project is going to be headlamps replacement for a 2008 E350 Mercedes Benz. So these babies, we're going to replace them. Remember, we replace these in pairs so you don't have one going out later on and then you're going to be hating life. So here's the video. Alright, first thing we need to do is remove this coolant tank. So it's held on there by a plastic clip. This one has a little Phillips screw on it, but I believe most of them are just a little pop clip that you remove. So remove it carefully and don't lose it. This side is the driver's side. This is the only side where you're going to have to remove anything to replace the headlamps on this. There's the clip right there. Just set it aside. And just lift up on the coolant bottle and just set it aside somewhere so you can gain access to the headlamp cover, which is right here. It's a plastic cover, and you just turn it to the left and it comes right off just like that. And now this will give you access to the headlamp. So you're going to turn it to the left. Takes about maybe an eighth of a turn or so. And there it is. So be careful when pulling this bulb out. Some of them are actually pretty tough. This one was really easy to pull out. Make sure you don't break the bulb or anything and cut your hand. There's the bulb. What I want to show you here is, I'm going to point to this little tab right here. That alignment tab goes on the socket only one way, and it's going to have just a little teeny tab on it. It's right there by my thumb. I'm touching it. That's where that's going to go right up against when you put the new bulb in. So here's a new bulb. I'm going to show you that tab again, right there. And another thing is make sure you wear gloves, because you don't want to put your hands, the oils on your hands on the bulbs, because it can cause them to burn out early. So this is a good time to put on your gloves. So I got it all lined up here, and I'm just going to install the bulb. This is a view inside where the lamp socket is going to screw into. You see the two ears? That's what you need to screw into. So now I'm going to go ahead and install the bulb. Just to give you an idea, it takes a little bit of, how would you say, manual dexterity to get this in there. Just take your time. You'll eventually feel it click when it gets in the proper position. And here's a view of its proper location once you have it screwed in place. And that's pretty much it. Now on your cover you'll see it says top, just like it says. That aims towards the top. Put it back in, screw it a little bit to the right, and you'll feel that also click into its proper location, and you are finished with this side. Now all you have to do is install the coolant bottle back. Those pins go on those grommets. Just line it up, push it down, put in your plastic retainer clip, and you have one side finished. Once again, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I wish all jobs were like this. Okay, now on the other side, nothing's in the way. You have clear access to it. It's still not a perfect world, you know. It's going to take a, you know, it's just a little patience. But you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to unscrew everything and take the bulb out. Now once again, same as the other side. See, now the tab is up on top. I'm pointing right there. And that's your alignment tab for the bulb. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to do this with one hand. Takes a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Put your cover back on and you can call it a day. Then of course, after you're finished, go ahead and verify the repair, make sure the headlights do work. And that concludes this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post a message and I'll try and respond as quickly as possible. Please subscribe or like my videos. Have a good day, everyone.